Professor Belfrost's science class is back.
Hi, welcome back to my class. And we are today to discuss other problems from the compilation of my exam papers that I have gathered for years about mathematics, physics, and chemistry problems. So here I wanted to take screenshots first for the questions or the problems that we are going to discuss today, and pause the video after you take a screenshot and give a try to solve all the questions. And after you are confident about your answers, then resume the video to check if your answer is correct. Okay, so we start from the first question, which is chemistry but related to a little physics. Okay, no worry, it's easy. So, yeah, do you actually not know the last formula Rn equals 0.53 n squared angstrom for the equation to find the radius of an nth ball orbit in a hydrogen atom. Actually, you can derive it using these techniques. So first, you need to know that the centripetal force is equal to the Coulomb force between the electron and the proton, because hydrogen has only one proton and one electron. So actually, it's very easy to solve, and you get the Vn squared, which is shown in the equation in the slide. Also, we need to know another equation. This maybe need a little effort to memorize it, which is mvn times rn equals nh divided by 2 pi. Actually, you have the h, which is Planck constant, which is actually not a good number to memorize, but don't worry, most of time you have the exam paper stated the constants being used. And also in this question, you are given the constant, the Planck's constant that you need to use. So we have the Vn, and now you only need to make to rearrange the equation to do some algebraic things, and you got the Rn that you want, which is actually epsilon 0 times x squared divided by pi m e squared times n squared, and that's all the equations that you need to use. But of course, you need to substitute the value, the permittivity, the Planck constant, the pi, the mass of electron, the charge of electron, and also n squared is for this question it is the second orbit, so the n is equals 2. So after you do the substitution, you'll get the answer, which is 0.53 times 2 squared. This is equals to 2.12, 2.12 angstroms. Okay, so that is the answer for the first question, for the first problem. I mean, so okay. So number two, easy, easy peasy. Possible. It is about yeah, the chapter on uh statistics. Okay, is about statistics. Okay, so we want to draw red ball. Okay, so okay, we need to make up some notation here. So say that RT represents the event of drawing red ball in the T draw. I mean T uh the T times draw, and BT is the event of is the to represent the event of drawing black ball on the T draw. Okay, you know what I mean. Is second, is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I mean TTH. Okay, so now in the given back, there are, say, first we have four reds and four blacks. Okay, so using this information, we can create the narration like this: PR1 equals 4 by 10, which is actually 2/5, and PR2 is 6. Uh, Actually, this is not um yeah, actually this is uh yeah, PR2, okay? Because the second time when you uh bring back the red ball, you insert two additional balls. So it's yeah, it's correct. Oh no no no, this is not true. I mistyped it. It is PB1. Okay, I'm sorry. It is PB1. So PB1 equals 6/10, which is 3/5. I'm sorry, I mistyped it. Okay, so that's the first thing you can know from you can write down from the information given on the first line. And for the second line, after the picking uh, and the returning of the balls, you also ask to insert two more balls that is of the same color of the first ball that you pick. So here's the second line representation in the mathematical notation, which is PR2 in case of R1, it is 6/12, and PR2 in case of B1, it is 4/12. Okay, you need to revise your lesson on this if you want to know how it works. So overall, the required probability to know how sure you can have the red balls too on a second pick, it is P equals PR1 times PR2R1 plus PB1 times PR2B1. It is 4/10 times 6/12 plus 6/10 times 4/12. It is 1/5 plus 1/5. It is 2/5. So the possibilities is 2/5. That is for the second problem. Third problem, physics, easy. Okay, so you need to first collect the information that have been given. So we have M1, 5 kilograms, M2, 10 kilograms, M, we don't know. That's what we want to know. And a mu, which is the coefficient of the friction, it is 0.15. And let's see the free body diagram, the sketch of free body diagram as made below. Okay, it's clear from the sketch that for M1, the equation that works is M1g minus t equals M1a. It is 5g minus t equals 5a. However, the system of M and M2 is on the horizontal surface. The equation will work is t minus 0.15 times sum of m and 10 times g, which is equal to sum of m plus 10 times a. And for system at rest, we know that the acceleration is 0, so we can rewrite both previous equations as t equals 5g and t equals 0.15 times the sum of n and 10 times g. So we just need to equalize these two equations, and we get 5g equals 0.15 times sum of m and 10 times g, which gives us m plus 10 equals 5 over 0.15, and it gives us 33 third and a third, which means that the m is 23 and a third kilograms. And that's the discussion, solution for the third problem. Okay, we are done for today, and here's a little quote for you today. So Jason Lemkin once said, "Play to your strengths. If you aren't great at something, do more of what you're great at." Okay, so it's only about our mindset. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your friend. And I'll be back with Tuesday and Thursday. So keep watching and be thoughtful. And don't forget to check your learning resources that I will upload regularly at https://sciencewithexpress.unaux.com. And we'll see you on the next episode. Goodbye.